Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 3. Which direction will you face if we start facing east and make half of a revolution clockwise? B. East and make one whole 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise. C. West and make 3 by 4 of a revolution anti-clockwise. D. South and make one full revolution. Now, first of all, we have to find what is the meaning of half of a revolution. We know that one complete revolution, that is one complete revolution one complete revolution one complete revolution one complete revolution is equal to 360 degree 360 degree 360 degree, right? We know that one complete revolution equal to 360 degree. Therefore half of a revolution, half 1 by 2 half of a revolution of a 1 by 2 of a revolution is equal to revolution is equal to 1 by 2 into 360 degree, right? 1 by 2 into 360 degree 300 360 degree, right? We cut it, and we are getting 202, 2 is 16, 0, that is 180 degree, right? Now what is this? This is one whole 1 by 2 revolution. One whole, you see this one is one whole 1 by 2 revolution, right? That is one whole 1 by 2 of a revolution is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2, that is 22 plus 1, 3 by 2, right? That means 3 by 2 of a revolution, 3 by 2 into 360 degree, 360 degree, right? We cut this one, 2 1 is 2, it is 16 and 0, right? If we multiply 18 with 3, we are getting 3 is 24, 2 carry here 4, 3 3 4 5 and 1 0, that is 540 degree, right? 1 by 1 whole 1 by 2 of a revolution means 540 degree, right? Now next one is 1 by 3 by 4th of a revolution. Next is, if we find 3 by 4th of a revolution, 3 by 4th of a revolution, 3 by 4th of a revolution then we are getting 3 by 4 into 360 degree, 360 degree, that is 4 9 is 36, 4 9 is 36, 0, right? That is 3 9 is 27, 3 9 is 27, that is 270 degree, right? Now we'll found right? Now you find that half of a revolution means 180 degree, 1 whole and 1 by 2 of a revolution means 540 degree, and 3/4 of a revolution means 270 degree, right? Right? Now 1 whole and 1 by 2 of a relation of 340 degree and 540 degree. 540 degree can be written as, here you see, that is 540 degree can be written as 360 degree, 360 degree plus, what you subtract it from 540, 540 minus 360, that is, it is 0, 6, 8, 14, 3 and 4, 180 degree, right? 360 plus 180 degree. Right, in this way, right? Now we'll find question number A. In which direction will you face if it start facing east? Now we'll show the direction here. Suppose this one is the direction. This is east. This is west. Right? Now you see, the question is in which direction will you face if you start facing east and make half of a revolution clockwise, right? Now here this you see, this is the center, right? Suppose if I start facing east, right? If you turn clockwise, that means I have to go clockwise 180 degree. 180 degree clockwise means it will be straight. That is like this. If you go on straight like this, you will go to west, right? That question number A is that if you start facing east and make half of a revolution clockwise, in which direction will you face? I will face, the answer is I will face, I will face in west direction, west direction. This is for question number A, right? That means if I face east and make half of a revolution, that means 180 degree, then I will face west, right? Now question number B. If we start facing east and make 1 and 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise, 1 whole 1 by 2 of a revolution means 540 degree, right? Now next also question number B I am writing. Question number B is this one. If you are facing east, right? Now 1 whole 1 by 2 of a revolution means 1 whole 1 by 2 of a revolution 540 degree, that is 360 plus 180. What is the meaning of 360 degree? 360 degree means whole complete revolution, right? 360 degree, that is, here you see, right? 360 means if you turn in this way clockwise, it is 360 degree. And again, you see 360 plus 180 degree, plus 180, 360 plus 180. Again, I am going 180 degree like this. That means it will be west, right? Again, I am telling. Here you see, you are facing east and make 1 and 1 by 2 of revolution. 1 full, that is 1 full means 360 plus 180 you can say. So 1 full is 1 full, that means you are starting from here and goes on, and this is 1 full 360 degree, and also 1 by 2, that is 360 degree plus 180 degree. If you go on 180 degree, we will get here. That means it is the west. Therefore, I will face, question number B is I will face in west direction. I will face in west direction. Now I will explain question number C, right? Question number C is, in which direction will you face if we start facing west and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise? Now we will go on anti-clockwise, then what will happen, right? If we go on anti-clockwise, then what will happen, you see, I will rub this one first, right? After that, I will explain. Next, I will explain question number C. What is question number C? In which direction will you face if we start facing west and make 3/4 of a revolution anti-clockwise? We are facing west, right? That means we are facing west. This is west. Here you see, this is the direction of west. This is west, right? You are facing in this direction. Now, what is the meaning of 3/4 of a revolution? Here you find that 3/4 of a revolution is 270 degree. How much? 270 degree means 180 plus 70, 180 plus 90, right? We can write 270 as 180 degree plus 90 degree. That is 270 degree, right? Now, if you face towards west, first you go 180 degree. First you go 180 degree in this way, right? And again you go 90 degree. That is 180 degree, right? That is facing west, right? But you have to go on anti-clockwise. Oh, anti-clockwise, right? Anti-clockwise means you have to go in this way, right? And again 90 degree. Again 90 degree. That means up to here. That means this is east, west, this is north, and this is south. This is north, and this is south, right? Now again you see, that is how much? That is 3/4 of a revolution is 270 degree, right? Again I am repeating once again. Here you see, this is east. Repeating once again, this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south, right? Now 3/4 of a revolution means I have already told you that it is 270 degree, and if you write in this way, that is 180 plus 90 degree, right? That means you are facing west. Towards west you are facing. First you have to go 180 degree, right? 180 degree anti-clockwise. That means 180 degree means here, if we start from here, 180 means up to here, right? Plus 90, that means again you have to go here, right? That means here we are facing north direction, right? That means question number C is I will face, I will face in north direction, right? I will face in north direction. Now question number D. South and make one full revolution. South and make one full revolution, right? Again rub this one, right? Now we will find the direction. Now you see this one, that the question is in which direction will you face if we start facing south and make one full revolution. South, that means here it is, that is east, here it is west, and it is north, this is north, and this is south, this is south, right? Now the question is, you are facing at south and make one full revolution. Full revolution means how much degree? 360 degree. You can go clockwise also. If you go clockwise on full revolution, then again you are coming to the same point, right? That is in south direction, right? If you go on in the anti-clockwise direction, then also you are going anti-clockwise direction, you are coming to the same point, that is south, right? Therefore south and make one full revolution means next question number D. That means question number D is I will face in south direction. South direction. Right? In this way, you can find the direction. Right? Again, I am explaining that one complete revolution is equal to 360 degree. 1 by 2 of a revolution is 180 degree. 1 whole and 1 by 2 of a revolution is 540 degree. You can write here as 360 plus 180 degree. Right? And 3/4 of a revolution is equal to 270 degree. That is 180 plus 90 degree. Right? In this way, you have to find the direction. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you got the videos which we uploaded. Thank you everybody for watching this video.